Alright guys, my bad about that. We were experiencing some issues with the network this morning. My Wi-Fi has been having some my internet's been having some issues. I'm not on Wi-Fi, but my internet's been having some issues here, so in bigger picture, um I'm thinking we're getting some downside though. On the book map, let's see. Trying for some downside here, guys. 4372 area of liquidity. Looks like weren't able to break above this. I think we come back down a little bit more. Some orders. Let us come up a little. Let's go that. So we're gonna be looking at 372 area of liquidity for a break, and then 370, and then below that even 375. So watching to see if this thing gets some continuation down here. Ends the trade, taking a little bit of a loss right now, but trying to get in some contracts here. Slowly but surely taking some contracts. Go. Last one. I think we can put the stop there. I might need to move it a little bit higher. I'm looking for us to keep below the 80 level. Can't. Some continuation on back down. Keep on. Gonna be looking for what was our average? 378. Looking for 43725 area at first. So we're gonna go here on three of them, and then we can hold two more to kind of rally a little bit more. Get that right. 7-2. Let's just start the day out with like a 5 point. Still getting a little push down. We want to break below the 4374 area. Chat, what should I do? Should I dump all five and take the profit, or shall I hold a couple? So we're looking for us to continue pushing down here, guys. Looking for this continuation down. I'm seeing the 43725. Seeing that liquidity there that I'm liking. Looks like we're trying to create some support on definitely creating support 4.77. So maybe I get out of this. If you look on the daily chart, that's what I'm kind of looking at here. We're gonna go ahead and move our stop to break even. We don't want to take a loss on this. Do not want to be taking a loss here, guys. Looking for this push down below 436, 4376, my bad. 4374. Kind of looking for this breakout point, 43725, guys. If we can break below, if not, we're creating some support here, and we can likely get some continuation up. So that's why I'm gonna stop at break even here, not trying to increase up. Oh, dang. Just got stopped out on that. Just like a rapid stop. Crap, guys. I still think we're going down though. Getting these snap buys. Snap buys here. Come up to 4-3. Getting our little motion here. So we got stopped out of that trade, unfortunately. Looks like we're getting some action now. At least take some to the control if we get a dip here. Let's go 2 at 4.3475. Not getting the dip. Going up, guys. We're just going up here. Point of control 4.387. Just touched on that. Didn't really get an entry on that one as we were coming up. Saw some bullish momentum though, bringing us up. Us on up. Pushing through the point of control here. Still haven't broken above the 90 level. This 90 area, so watching that. Watching that, guys. Looks like we might be getting a push up here. Let's see. a lot of liquidity sitting here at the 4390. Pushing through it though. Oh, my Apple Watch is on too tight. I'm gonna put some music on, jam out. Little jam, little Friday jams. 71. Sir. Getting that little pop up. Baby. Jack. Like my heart can't have it. I don't explain. I'm just rushing in a trade there doing that. So let's go ahead and show you guys. I'm drawing a oh, we're on the right. Drawing a little support level. We had a bounce off it here. We had the body of the candle support, body candle support. So we've got support right below 4380. Evan's putting on a show. I don't remember what the radio's playing. Saying. All I know is there should. We've got a lot of iceberg sellers here, 1,000 contracts and such. Um, just kind of watching everything here, guys. Remember what the radio. Trying to clear up these charts, guys. Nasdaq's still looking pretty bearish here. I mean, maybe we play off the 200 SMA on the S&P, but I'm not relying solely on that, guys. We're getting some motion in the ocean above the point of control. I don't like taking shorts above the control. I'm gonna take a starter on the Nasdaq right here. Nice little starter. Probably take another as we dip a little lower. I'll try to get in at like 29. See if we get down there. But we got a stop set at, let's see, low 20. So we got to stop. Can't get lower to it. Can't put dang stop on. Do a stop at 19. 2. We're gonna need a big push over that 200 SMA on the S&P. Let me pull it up for you guys. Goodbye, hit you like a speed. Still. Love this song, guys. Go. Super seconds won't come. Gone. Gonna give her a nice little run here. I could speed. Still in. Fast as gone. Whoops. Dang. Oh. There we go, guys. Finally getting the trade that's clicking. So we were looking for the S&P pushing over the 200 SMA, which is doing here. We'll pull that up on the side. So S&P is getting that nice push up here, which is exactly what we wanted to see for that Nasdaq, to give Nasdaq a little push. Everything's kind of going bullish a little bit. We're above the point of control. Let me double check what the point of control is on the Nasdaq. We want to get out of this trade. Got 200 SMA coming up here. Above the point of control here. Got a lot of liquidity sitting right at my order, 86. Everyone's got the right. Whoever's the seller is with all the contracts on 86 got the mindset I have. What up, puppy? Options again. I can even burn the bar. I could take it now. Looking for a little bit more push here. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Doing pretty good here. Let's check the book map on the S&P. Oh, we got a lot of liquidity. Oh, I didn't even realize we're at 4,400 here. A lot of liquidity here. Trying to push up above this 4,400. Having some slight issues. We are up 35 about points as of this moment on NASDAQ. So nice little rally here so far. Probably going to get a little pullback before we get our push. Get a push to the 200 SMA. Push above the 4,400 on the S&P. I can't even down. I can take it. Well, Swindell is. Mm, Zao. It is Friday, fam. We are trying to make this bread. Circle. Shower. We're gonna need this break of 4,400 for the Nasdaq to get a push. On the S&P needs to break, is what I'm saying. I mean, it's pushing up 44,400.5. So we're getting that small push above. We have the VWAP and point of control up here on Nasdaq. We're almost out. Come on, guys. Let's give it that one last push. Clearing out this liquidity up here. Oh, oh no. No, siree. Let's go. Do I just close it out, guys? Do I close it or do I let it hit? There we go, guys. Beautiful traded. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. $950 trade. Dollar bill, yo. It's a beaut. Yes, sir, Justin. Just got a good, nice little trade there on the Nasdaq from this dip here. Rode that up. Watch the S&P push above the 200 SMA, so I gotta get that stop off. So yeah, so pretty happy with that. How are we doing on the day so far for you, man? I'm gonna get copyright issues having this music on. Am I not gonna be able to have it on YouTube? Music on the Fridays though. Yeah, so getting a nice rally. What I was kind of looking at on the S&P, I took a break even or like a small stop trade so far. Since since you guys are just getting in, I'll go over it really quick. I'm gonna go back to my charting screen. So I was in, I got in a position, came down here, came up. I was getting in a position around 4,380 or just above it. I think my average was. And then as we came back up here, I stopped out. I was looking at the hourly kind of, and I saw us holding below this pre-market, trying to make some resistance here with this really bearish hourly candle. I was giving it a try below there with the tight stop. See how it's like 381. So I had a tight stop. Ended up being able to stop out at just about break even. And as we broke through that, I tried to get it in on the ES, but I didn't get my fill. Ended up taking a dip buy on this dip. I took it on the Nasdaq. Nice little almost um 50 points on there. Got a late start, but green, good shit, man. That's what you want on a Friday. That's all you can ask for. And the week good, right? Right. No. Switch the song. Whoops. I'm making a little clip really quick. 1 second, man. Some issues with the highlight. Um, Looks like I had a near perfect exit on that Nasdaq trade, guys. Lucky. This is my exit. 36. Oh wait, 86. 6 something. Just about got that perfect. It won't let me create a clip out of this. I'm trying to figure this out really quick, guys. 1 second. Uh, it, trying to do 819, 18. Still getting the hang of this YouTube stuff. To 21. Got it there. It's on my laptop. It won't let me click it. Go. All right, I just got this highlight clipped on. My bad, guys. Um, just trying to do that really quick. Um, Kind of just sitting right now. I took that good trade, so I'm not too eager to give profits back right. Um, I like focusing on the S&P more, taking a trade based on others. So what I liked there was something I'll say a lot of times is if all of the major index funds are in sync, like the Nasdaq, S&P, and the Dow. So I'm referring to those main three. If all of those are kind of synchronized going in a certain direction, that gives me more confirmation for a trade. So I look for those. I look for like some of the heavy weighted stocks that make up some of those composites, like Amazon, Apple, Tesla, whatever Microsoft, whatever it be. Depending on the index fund, I look for some of those weighted stocks also rallying. So I look for some synchronized motion. If everything's going in the same direction, it gives me a lot more clarity on like not necessarily clarity, but reinforcement of my decisions. Like it gives me confirmation on a direction. So So I look for that. So that's kind of what I did taking the NASDAQ here on this dip. Had a nice perfect play off of the 200 SMA, saw some liquidity there on the book map, and it's about it's about what I did. Trying to trying to pull up chat. I chat. We're getting some pretty heavy tick volume. This is a good indicator I like using for breakouts. So we'll see what happens here. I mean, we've been pretty bearish. So this is a high tick vol. This is a high tick vol with some volume. Um, Definitely since we're above on the daily chart, you'll see I kind of drew the support today. So we've got this support level here on the daily chart that we touched on, and that's the level I was looking to short, but we came back above. So honestly, I'm thinking there's a good chance just chop around right above it, and we could end up creating some support here over the next couple days, or maybe like today, and then maybe we break it eventually. But it looks like we've got the low here, base of the candle here, base of the candle here. So we created some support in this area. We'll probably look to continue. Maybe eventually if we get a breakthrough, it might turn into some resistance. We'll see. See. Watching the S&P teeter totter on 200 SMA here, guys. It's got a big psychological level of 400 here that it just barely broke above and then came back down below. So I don't know that I'd take a long unless we can get back above the 200 SMA and back above the 4. Is my concept right now. Nasdaq sitting below the 200 SMA as well. Anyone know how to get the weighted average price on the Ninja Trader on this thing? 'Cause I can't seem to figure into like the just not seeing it. Whatever. I'm just not. It's all good. Oh, it's so quiet without the music. What's going on? I haven't even had any coffee this morning. Bouncing off. I even had it. This is a wine last night. I think I'd be. So going back to the S&P, we had a nice dip below the V there, but I think we're still tottering. We got 50 EM up 200 SMA and like 3 here. So not really the best area to take a trade in this chop. Stretch it out 10 points. Trade this 44 level. Third. Put some music back on. I like the music. Hopefully it's not too loud for you guys. Push up again here. Speaker is dead. Be right back. why I'm not taking a trade yet. Projecting off the 4400 still, chopping around VWAP. Powell's hinting towards the possibility of more rate hikes. Guys, I was watching a video. Wish I could show it. But let me pull up the statistics. Got a hurricane coming through Florida, it looks like. Fun hurricane season. So this video that I was looking at was kind of comparing the average prices of general things. So they go over home rent, college, gas, and the average income. So it's comparing 1970 to 2023. So 1970, and it's comparing how much everything is multiplied over the inflation. So we're looking at home value. Average home value in 1970 was 15K. 2023 is 436K. It's 29x. Rent, $108 to $2,000. That's 20x. College, $500 to 11K, or maybe it's 800 to 11K. 20x. Gas, 36 cents to $3.86. 10x. Income, 9,000 to 56,000 average. 6x. So we're showing how inflation is only six-folded value compared to some things like the home value of 29 fold, and other things like rent, college 20-fold, gas 10-fold. Like, all of these things are increasing with inflation, and the average income has barely done so. It's kind of concerning. Just like, everyone can't afford this crap right now. People are going into so much debt. Looks like we're getting a little dip here, guys. I like seeing things like that to get a perspective. You can't really like solely base judgment off of that, but like, it just really goes to show how inflation is infecting, except for the average household income. Not what we see. Looks like we're getting a push here. Just drew a little like trend line relevant. Don't rely on these trend lines too much here. Do not do that. Trades going on. Taking back